see here there is no new file, so I am just going to start a new project. So you just go click new, and here you have to select the template, because if the MEP people are working, so they have to choose the MEP template. If architecture people are working, so they have to choose the architecture template. Okay, so just now I am taking MEP template because the MEP people should get awareness all this copy manager, because they will be used moreover in this BIM project. Okay, so now I am taking system default metric. It's a MEP template, means mechanical, electrical and piping work we can do this template. Just click and go with open. So after clicking and taking this template, here you can see this template file has been assigned. Just go with OK with the click of this new project. New project file is going to be open, and here you will be find two levels will be created. Okay, so now you can see here this MEP template file. You can see here electrical also we receive the floor plan, HVC also we receive the mechanical people, HVC also we receive the floor plan, you can see here, and plumbing also we receive the floor plan. So here MEP, three types of services we can able to work out here. And if you go in elevation, if you go any elevation, if you go elevation for the plumbing, or if you go elevation for the mechanical, if you go electrical elevation also, no issue, you can go any of the elevation. Just double click on the north elevation. Now you can see here there is two levels is going to be appeared here. Now these two levels we don't require, because already we have a design model file. With the design model file we have to take this level. Now you have to go window selection and select these two levels. Don't go like that, select delete, don't do like that, because if you go like that, what will happen, one the top level you can able to delete, but a bottom zero level it's not possible, because these two levels we have to delete with the help of window selection, and just select it. After selection, just go with the delete button, and here it is going to ask you, along with the selection 24 elements are visible in this view, like that it's going to be asking. So you just go OK. So if you click OK, so here it is asking mechanical levels will be deleting, ceiling mechanical levels is going to be deleting. So everything is going to be get some warning message here. So if you click OK, so all this floor plan is going to be disappear, because it is going to be deleted. Now you can see here HVC floor plan is there, mechanical one, mechanical two, ceiling one, ceiling two, like that all the floor plans is going to be deleted right now if you delete these two levels. Okay, so now I want to delete these two levels, because I want to take the levels from the reference file which we have got from the architecture structure team. Just go with OK. After clicking OK, you can see here all the floor plans has been deleted. Only the 3D and elevation views is left, but remaining HVC floor plan, plumbing floor plan, and here the electrical floor plan is left. Like that architecture people also, if they delete, so the structure and architecture and ceiling plan also is going to be deleted here, because there is no levels at all here. Okay, so without levels there is no floor plan. So levels means number of floor plans should be there, then only this floor plan is going to be visible here. Okay, so now don't worry about that. You just go insert menu and select Revit link Revit. You have to click link Revit. Just click that link Revit. Just now I have given one Revit file to you. That file you just go and select it. This is the floor plan file I have given to you. Okay, so this file you just click, and here there is a positioning one option is there. Okay, positioning means if you have the coordinates value with you, so that time you have to go share coordinates, because if that project is having some coordinates, so you have to go share coordinates. If the project is having no coordinates, means XYZ value is 0, then you have to go internal origin to origin only, means 0, 0, 0. Okay, and there is one more option is also there, center to center, means the project is going to be linked at the center of the paper, means center of your project. Center means there is no 0, 0, there is no coordinate, then you have to go with center to center. So the best way is, if you know the coordinates, you can go with share coordinates here. If you don't know the coordinates, you just go with the internal coordinates. So here some option also will be there here. Auto, one more option, project base point to project base point. This is also one of the option. You can go this option also if you are not able to take this internal origin to internal origin. Okay, so just now you just go internal origin because it will become 0, 0. Exactly, it is going to be view. Now you just click it, this file, and go with open. So after them, they have to work out, and you have to take in the scenario like share coordinates. This way we have to work. Now you can see here this levels. This is a reference file because that file which we have linked here, it is going to be show you the link Revit model. Okay, now you can see now here in north elevation there is no floor plan, so that's the reason your project is not going to view in top view, it's going to view in elevation only. And here you can see these are the buildings, all everything the elements will be, but it is going to be shown as in light color because the architecture is going to be viewed as in light color because that template work model file is different. Our template model file is different because right now we have taken MEP template, but this architecture already is completed in architecture template, default template is already completed. So that's the reason here it is going to be viewed as in light color. But if you require a sir, I want to see in solid color, that is also possible. You can able to make it solid also. So that time what will happen, exactly the architecture model, how it is going to be viewed in architecture when you are going to for the editing purpose, it's going to be viewed here also the same. Okay, so now the first process, how it is going to be worked out. So after making the link, now you have to go here, collaborate. You have to click the collaborate. After clicking the collaborate, you can see here copy by monitor and option is there. Yes, everyone is going to see this option, copy by monitor. You just click this one, and here you can see there is a select link on option is there. You just click the select link and don't click the cursor anywhere in your screen. You just come to the closer to the link file, that is reference file. You just click on that. After clicking, you can see here there is an option has came, and this option is related to the copy monitor. So the first is option, there is copy, there is monitor, there is coordination settings, there is a batch copy, and there is a finish and cancel. These are the menus is going to be viewed here. So now the first option is option menu. You just click the option menu. Now you can see if you click the option menu, there is a levels, grids, column, walls, and floors is going to be make it copy. So these are the entities you can able to make the copy monitor. So levels also you can able to make the copy monitor, grids, column, walls, and floors. These are the elements you can able to make a copy monitor. So just click levels because right now we want to take the levels for copy monitor. So just click the levels, and here you can see there is a reuse matching level on option is there. Here already it is selected don't reuse, but you have to click here and you just select here reuse if elements match exactly. You have to click this one and you have to select this one. And here some more option is also given here. You can see add suffix to the level name because existing whatever the levels, whatever the names is there for the reference file. If you want to add something, you just add suffix. Suffix means after naming the level, it will be add something. If you do something XX, it will become. If you do some other numbering, it will become. So that also you can able to do it here. And here the reuse level with the same name because whatever the names, whatever the levels name is there in reference file, the same name you can able to use. If you are saying so no sir, I don't want to use the same name, so you just put tick off. So there will be a no name will become, only the levels will become. Then manually you have to give the name for that level. And already whatever the levels value, the elevation values, if the floor is having some 4 meter, 5 meter, whatever the height is there, if you say so each and every level, if you are giving some 100 mm offset here, so what will happen, whatever the levels value existing in the reference file it was there, it will be take 100 mm extra value for that, all the levels it is going to be take. So this type of changes if you require, you can give it here directly. So whatever the levels is going to become for the copy monitor, so that value is going to be added separately, all the levels. If the zero level to first level it is having some 4 meter, but if you are saying no sir, I want to make it some increase of 100 so you can put the 100 value, so automatically what will happen, when the complementary is going to be happen, that time 100 offset it is going to be take all the levels. So this is also one of the option we can use. But don't go anywhere, because whatever the levels from the architecture team has decided, the same levels, same names, same values, MEP team also to be follow the same. So now you have to put here 0,0 because we don't require any offset, and whatever the names is there for the reference level, if it is having ground floor, first floor, second floor, so you just proceed with the same. If it is having some level 1, level 2 like that, so you just proceed with the same. So you have to click here the reuse levels with the same name. Only you have to change this one. And suffix prefix also don't add it anything, because if you add it, so what will happen, that value is going to be at all the levels. So that's the reason don't add anything here, you just select this one. So just after selection this one, you just go here, okay. So now option word has been completed. Now you have to go copy. You have to select the copy. After clicking the copy, you can see there is a multiple one option is there. If you didn't click multiple, what will happen? Here in drawing you can see, here in model you can see only one levels only you can able to select. This one level also you can able to select with the help of control button. You have to go with the control button in the keyboard. You just press it, and one level you have to select in this way. So that's the way you can do it. But if you select like that, what will happen? Maybe some of the levels may be missed, some of the level may be not be selected. So its issue will become. So that's the reason here the option has given multiple, means selection should be multiple. We can select more than one levels at a time. So that's the reason you have to select multiple tick mark here, and just to select window selection with all levels has to be covered within that window selection. Just select it. Now after selecting, you can see here all the levels has been selected. But including the levels, there is some architecture component is also there here, you can see. So this component also has been selected. So now the complementer we have to do for the levels, not for the other component. So now here there is one funnel. This funnel symbol is going to show you the filter. You just click this filter. Now you can see whatever the component has been selected, it is going to be showing. Here the component floor has been selected, grids has been selected, levels and structural columns and walls. These are the components already it has been selected here with the window selection. When we have did this, all components has been selected. But we required only levels, so you just put it tick out. Remove the tick mark from all the components. So when you will remove the tick mark, so what will happen, that this component it is going to be unselected. It will be not selected more. It will be unselected. So after tick mark, you just go and click OK button. Now you can see only the levels has been selected. So if you have a getting doubts whether that is selected or not, if you want to check it once again, so you just go again funnel and you just check here. You can see here only levels is going to be selected, but the remaining components are unselected. Okay, just go with OK here. So after selection completed, here one option is there, finish. Now this all levels we have to make it complementary, so you just click finish here. Just click the finish. After clicking the finish, you can see there is some buffering is going on, and now whatever the levels is there here which we have selected, all levels is going to become as in copy monitor, copy exactly same carbon copy is going to become. Now you can see here all the levels has come, and while doing here some warning message has to become, but you ignore that warning message because it will become while doing the copy monitor. Now you can see there is a monitor symbol is there. Each level will be created its monitor, because this symbol is going to show you that this all the levels has been copy monitor while making the levels from one file to the another file. So this symbol is going to be identify you whether your copy monitor has completed or not. Now you can see all the levels here, this monitor symbol has came, means our copy monitor has completed right now. Okay, so after seeing this one, again you just click the screen, anywhere you just click it. Now you can see one more finish option will become here. Just go with the finish option. After clicking the finish option, now you can see your levels has been came here. All the levels has been updated. Now you maybe get doubt, sir, whether this level has came or not, I don't know, because existing when I was linked the file, that time this level is there. So I think that level only it is visible. Am I right? You may be get doubt. So don't worry about that, because if you have a doubt in that way, so you just go here, insert menu, and there is one more menu is there, manage link. This option is there here. So with the help of manage link also you can able to check whether your level has been copy monitor or not. So you just go manage link, and you can see here in manage link whatever the files you have made the link, so that link is going to be visible here. So if you click this link and if you make it unload, so what will happen here, this architecture model which you have taken external link for reference file, it is going to be make it unload, means it is going to be off, layer off, like that you can able to do. Okay, this way we can able to do it. If you make it reload again it will become. If you are removing, so it is totally permanently it is going to be removed from the file. So this is the one way you can do it, the unload and reload of the link reference file, Revit link. There is a multiple option will be there here in managing, you can see. So what type of file you will link, you can go that type of format that file. Okay, so this is the one option you can able to do. One more option is also there here. If you go view menu, there is one menu is there, visibility graphics. Okay, you just click the visibility graphics. You can see here there is a Revit link on option is there. Have you seen this one? Because this Revit link, when it will become, when you link the Revit file, one project, that time it is going to be visible. Before it was not there. Before up to filter it will be there. So when you will link the external file, any of the file, this link is going to be highlighted, and your file link is going to be view also here. So you can link multiple files also. So multiple files is going to become like that. One above the below it will be going to be visible. With alphabetical numbering it's going to be visible. Now you can put tick off here. If you remove this tick off, so what will happen? Tick. So your link is going to be hide here. Means it is going to be off. So that this is the way also you can able to make it the link on off. So just click off and you just go with OK. Now you can see our architecture file has off. Now you can see your level has came here. So you have did any creation of the levels? No, nothing. We just taken as per the reference. So whatever naming is there for that reference file, everything has came here. You can see. If you click each and every levels, you can get it. Okay. So this is the way we have to make it copy monitor from external Revit file, from one file to another file without making any changes. Directly we have to go with the copy monitor. With the help of that we can able to do it. Okay, now this all levels has assigned here, but it is not going to be visible here in project browser, because this all levels should come here. Then only you can able to do the work, because right now you are in elevation view, but this level should be visible in floor plan view. Means floor plan, yeah, ceiling plan, yeah, some other floor plan, you can able to view this one. So how it is possible to assign this level here? You have to go again view menu, and there is one option is there here in ribbon menu, plan views. You have to click the plan views here. So just click the plan views. You can see here there is a floor plan, there is a reflected ceiling plan, there is a structural plan, an area plan, and region plan. So there are 5 types of floor plan, 5 types of views. We can able to take it here directly. Whatever the levels we have made copy monitor here, the same thing it is going to be highlighted here, and it is going to be come here. So first we require floor plan, because we have to create the floor plan here, top view. It should be come. So you have to go floor plan. If you require ceiling plan, you can go reflected ceiling plan. If you say structural plan, you can go. So right now we have taken MEP template, so we have to require floor plan and ceiling plan. Structure plan is not required because right now we are working MEP. Structure is not required because already a structure plan, floor plan is already in the reference link, it is there. So don't require. So you just go this two type of floor plan we have to assign here. So just go floor plan, and after clicking the floor plan you can see here whatever the levels you have made the copy manager, this all levels, all views is going to be waiting here to come here, this project. These all are waiting, these all levels are waiting, whatever the naming of that level has been given. But directly don't take, you have to go edit type. And edit type also you have to select the template, because which template view you require, whether you require mechanical, electrical or plumbing, so that view you have to do, because each and every floor plan is going to be assigned with the template only, view template, because with the help of view template only it is going to be visible here. So you just go mechanical plan, already it was there here. If you are selecting, you can see these are the view template. If you click it, so these all view template, again you have to work out as per the startup of your project. You have to give all these settings. Already earlier also I told you, before starting the project you have to set up your view template, view range, everything, the visibility graphics, display model, detail level, everything, the orientation of the project, everything you have to set. So this is the way again you have to do here. If you are not ready to work out this template, so you can make it duplicate also, this template you can make it duplicate and you can utilize as per the requirement of your floor plan. So this is the way you can able to work out. So right now I am using the same default template here. So now I require electrical, because now I want to work out for the electrical project. So now I require electrical. So you just go electrical, and you can see here in electrical there is a power service will be there. So sub-discipline will be power. Okay. If you say no sir, I want to take other discipline, so you can directly write also here, or if you click here you can see there is a number of services views also will be there here. So now I require power, so you just go select this template, select here sub-discipline, remaining you can make it settings here and just go with OK. Now electrical template has been selected, just again go with OK. Now you have to select this all views, all levels with the help of shift, press it and click it the level. So now you can see with the help of shift, you can, with the help of control button also you can able to select. Control means 1 1 1 1, you have to make it selection here. This is the way we can do the selection of this level with the help of control button. But if you say no sir, I want to select at a time all levels, so you just select the first levels and just scroll down and select the shift button, press it and just select the all levels like that. So after selection also, by scrolling you can able to see, because some of the project maybe have some 60-70 levels, so that time all the levels has been selected or not, you have to check it with this one. Got it? So after selection just go with OK. So if you click OK, so what will happen now, electrical floor plan is going to be come here with this power plan, because right now in sub-discipline we have selected power. So just go with OK. Now you can see here the floor plan is going to be assigned. You can see all the floor plan has came here. Got it? So this is the way we have to make the assignment of all the floor plan. Now you can see your top view has came here. If you go any of the levels, every view will be going to be visible. If you go any of the view here, you can see your architecture's model will be viewing here. But in elevation we have made the off, but in floor plan we have not make off of this architecture's model. That is the reason here you can see that. So it will become as a background as a light color. Light color means it's a dummy model. It is going to be show you all the rooms, doors, windows, everything is going to be shown. So by seeing this view, we have to design our MEP services, because the architecture model is going to be show you the reference of your project. Okay, so the levels has been created here with the help of this view plan views menu. Now here electrical power plan has came, but I required mechanical also, sir. So how I will do for the mechanical? Again you have to go view plan view floor plan, and again here you have to go edit tab. Now you have to select the mechanical template, and in mechanical template which service? HVAC. So you just go HVAC, and after selecting here this mechanical plan, you just go OK, and here you can see there is do not duplicate existing view, one option is there. You have to make it tick off. After making tick off, you can see again this all levels is going to be viewed here. So with the help of shift button, again you have to select all the levels and just go with OK. Now you can see HVAC floor plan is going to be visible here. All the floor plan has been. If you say, sir, I want to put some ceiling plan for this mechanical, so that is also possible. You can go here reflected ceiling plan and just go edit type, and you have to select that template. Now mechanical ceiling plan is required. So mechanical ceiling template you have to select here, and this template is related to HVAC. Just go with HVAC and select. You can check whether it came or not. And after selection, just go with the level selection, all the levels with the help of shift button, just go with OK. Now you can see in mechanical there will be a ceiling plan is going to become here directly. In HVAC you can see floor plan and there is a ceiling plan also. So all the levels is going to be seen here. Like that plumbing, everything you can do it this way. So how many times you require these views, you can take these levels also directly here. Okay, so after completion of the levels, now you have to make the complementer of this grid, because still the grid has not been done. Only the levels has been done and all the levels has been assigned here. After completion of the assignment of this all levels, then you have to go with the grid. So again the same process, collaborate, copy by monitor, select the link and select the reference file which we have linked here in our project. Just click. After clicking, again you have to go option, but right now you have to select the grid, not levels, because right now we are working for the grid. So after selecting the grid, again here you have to select this one, reuse if element match exactly. Remaining you just keep it as same, don't make it any change and just go with OK. After selecting the option menu is completed, then you have to go copy, again multiple, again you have to select all the grids with the help of window selection. So after selection also, again you have to go funnel this menu, and you can see how many components has been selected here and which component you require. You just put that tick on that component, remaining component you just put tick off. So after completion, just go here. So now we required grid, so you have to put tick mark of the grids, and remaining structural column you have to remove, because the column also has been selected here. So after completion, then you have to go finish directly. After clicking the finish, now you can see all the grids has been copy monitor, because all the grids beside you can see this monitor symbol. So this has been done here. Okay, so after completion of this, now you have to go again, click with the screen and just go with finish. Now you can see this all grid is going to be visible here. Okay, so once you did any of any floor plan, once the copy monitor has done, means this grid is going to be reflect all the floor plan, all the ceiling plan, even the elevation plan, 3D view, everywhere it is going to be. But we have to do once enough. Don't do each and every floor copy monitor, don't do, because copy monitor will be unique. One time only you have to do the copy monitor. Like that. If now you can see all the levels has been, all the grids has been come here. Levels also will be visible. Now if you want to check again this grid has been reflecting here or not, if it has came or not with the help of this copy monitor. So you can check. Again, you have to go visibility graphics. In the visibility graphics, you have to make it tick off, or with the help of insert menu, with the help of this manage links, also you can able to check whether this grid has been done by using unload also. Or you can go with your view template directly here, and you can see in here visibility graphics, you can see Revit link, and this link you just make it tick off, go with OK. Now just go with OK. Now you can see your architecture plan has gone. Now you can see your grid has came here. And after clicking the grid, you can see the monitor symbol is there. If the monitor symbol is there, means this grid has been copy monitor from external file. So this is also identification also we can able to do with the help of this copy monitor by selecting the component. Got it? So this is the way we have to work out for copy monitor from one file to the another file. So grid, it's going to become each and every floor plan. Now you can see, now I am going to select footing level. So just double click on the footing level. Now you can see the grid is going to be visible. If you go with the hotel 01 level, double click on that, you can see overall floor plan along with the grid is going to be visible. Okay, so this is the way we can able to work out for making the copy monitor. And here this is the reference file, the architecture's model it will be having here. So if you want to see this model in 3D, so you just go here view menu, and here this option is there 3D, default 3D view. Just click on that, you can able to see your model or file is going to be viewed here in 3D. Okay, so this is the view it's going to become. Sir, I want to see the solid view of this architecture. So that is also possible. You can able to see the solid view, but you have to go here, the discipline. Here the discipline you have to select coordination, because right now the discipline is mechanical, because the mechanical 3D view we have selected. Now you have to go coordination. Coordination means your architecture's model also going to be viewed here directly. Just click the coordination. Now you can see the architecture's model is also going to be viewed as in 3D. You can see. And if you go here file and shaded, if you click here shaded, so everything is going to be viewed as a solid view. Now you can see it's going to be viewed as a solid. So whatever the model for the architecture people has did, everything you can able to check by this way, because this model has been developed from the architecture team. Already they have developed and they have given. So only one floor model it is there here, because the remaining floor is same. So that's the reason for the presentation purpose the client only told us to complete only one floor, because they want to check whether all the components, how it is going to be visible from one level. So now you can see from footing to the top of your column is going up to the level, the top level. But here only the architecture's model is only one floor level. And in this floor level, ceiling level, everything the model is going to be complete. You can able to see by rotating the model with the help of shift pressing and middle click of the mouse. You can able to see each and every room by zooming the model. You can able to see. So by seeing this architecture model, the MEP people has to be design their components directly here. Okay, so this is the way we can able to view the architecture model directly by clicking the coordination. If you say no sir, I don't want to see the solid view, I want to see the exactly the dummy view, which is has to be reflected as in background as a reference. So again you have to click here mechanical. So again it's going to be look as a dummy. Dummy means background it was there. Only our mechanical component is going to be highlighted here, because it was there, but it will be not visible exactly. It is going to be visible light color, means 50% transparency visible will be there here, and remaining 50% we have to check our model with MEP service. So like that architecture people also, they can also view this way in the project, because the reference file should be visible light color. It's not a solid view. It should be as a in dummy. Dummy means like as a background, it should be reflect as a reference external view. But your model should be look as a presentation with highlighted colors, because if you put this the reference file also with solid color, solid view means your model is not going to be get the presentation perfectly, because your model is not going to be look whether this is external file or your model, it will be get some confused. So that is the reason the external file always should be look like that only. Okay, so like that you have to work out for this copy money. Clear? Now you can see every floor, if you click it, your view will be complete. If you click other plan also, it will be there. If you go with the elevation also, your model will be there. Your model, grids, everything will be there. You can able to check in elevation also. So now if in elevation already we have made the off here. So again you have to go visibility graphics, and now you have to put tick on, because earlier you have made the tick off here. You just go and go with OK. Now you can see sorry, your architecture's model is going to be viewed directly here. Got it? So this is the way we have to make the copy monitor, the levels and views. The same way you can do columns also, you can do walls also, like that everything you can do. Okay, so this is the way we have to work out for the columns, walls, everything. So just the moreover utilization will be the levels and grids. So now this file you just work out once your own by taking the new template, and you just show me how this project has been designed with the help of this copy monitor. Okay.